So here is our wind up bus. This is an amazing series. There's bus, car, train, truck, there's ladybug. But the neat thing about this particular book is when you open it up, so every book has tracks, and every page you can run your bus or whichever vehicle you have and run it through the track. However, in this one, you actually can take the tracks out. So there's 4 pages with 4 tracks. And then it makes one big track. And then behind each track, there's information about London, so you can read through it as well. So hours of fun for your kids, and we'll wind up the bus and show you as an example. So much fun.